Welcome to Autopulse News. Let's start latest automotive news. Number 1. Sunroof models drive 53.2% of Hyundai India's financial year 25 sales. Hyundai Motor India Limited has observed a notable shift in customer preferences in financial year 25. Sunroof equipped vehicles now account for 53.2% of its total sales. SUVs continue to dominate, contributing 68.5% to domestic sales, up from 63.2% last year. The company offers sunroofs in 12 of its 14 models, catering to the rising demand for premium features. Popular models like the Exter, Venue, and Creta are key drivers of SUV growth. Additionally, ADAS variant sales saw a sharp rise, growing from 6.7% in financial year 24 to 14.3% in financial year 25. This highlights Hyundai's strong position in the premium and tech-focused segments. Number Isuzu Motors India's CV exports 24% in financial year 25 to 20,312 units. Isuzu Motors India has emerged as the leading exporter of commercial vehicles in India for financial year 2024 to 25. The company exported 20,312 units, marking a 24% increase from 16,329 units in the previous year. This strong growth highlights IMI's rising prominence in the export segment. According to data from SIAM, Isuzu has outperformed its competitors in the CV category. The company attributes this success to its consistent export focus and robust global demand. IMI continues to be a key player in driving India's automotive export momentum. 3. Tesla Group proposes to set up EV battery factory in Jharkhand. Jharkhand's Chief Minister Hemant Soren's investment tour in Europe began on a high note in Spain. Dusan Lichardus, CEO and co-founder of Tesla Group AS, based in Czechoslovakia, proposed setting up a gigafactory in Jharkhand. The mineral-rich state is seen as a promising location for such a project. If approved, this would be Tesla Group's second assembly unit for commercial and industrial battery storage following its Romania plant. The move could significantly boost local industry and investment in the state. Number 4. Ultraviolet readies base for next range of electric two-wheelers. Narayan Subramaniam, CEO and co-founder of Ultraviolet Automotive, draws parallels between his company's journey and that of Tesla. He explains that their approach in India mirrors Tesla's bold strategy. While Tesla was not the first EV maker, it revolutionized the market with the Model S priced near $1 lakh. The car proved that electric vehicles could outperform internal combustion engines. Subramaniam highlights that, like Tesla, Ultraviolet aims to break the stereotype of EVs being compromises. Instead, they strive to showcase electric as a superior, high-performance alternative. 5. Auto exports rise 19%, cross 53 lakh units in financial year 25. Automobile exports from India saw a 19% surge in financial year 2025, crossing 53 lakh units. Total exports stood at 53.63 lakh, up from 40 lakh units in financial year 2023 to 24. This growth was fueled by strong demand for passenger vehicles, two-wheelers and commercial vehicles in international markets. Passenger vehicle exports alone grew by 15%, reaching 7,70,364 units. This marks the segment's best ever annual performance. According to SIAM, the rise is attributed to increasing global demand for India manufactured models. Support our channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.